step outside this morning and you felt those gusty winds, they still continue. Now, just about an hour ago, you're looking at the corner of Beacon and Exeter. There was 4 stories of scaffolding on both sides of that building. They were having some mason repointing work done. The Exeter Street fell down just about 11 o'clock, a little afterwards, and those are cars underneath that are crushed there. Now, firefighters and police are waiting for the other side to potentially come down. But just a short time ago, we talked to Sheila Murray. She lives on Beacon Street. Her car is parked out on the corner. It has not been affected, but she's a little upset that the rest of that scaffolding could come down on it any moment.
We're hearing the wind. It was rattling the windows and everything. And then we heard this. I was on the phone with a client and I heard this crash. First I thought it was this tree, and then I looked, and then all of a sudden I saw it on the street. And I had to finish my call, and then it dawned on me, my car was on the corner. And so I came down, and the firemen wouldn't let me over there.
And the reason why, there's a lot of firefighters out here on the corner of Beacon and Exeter. They're keeping a close eye on that scaffolding that you're looking at live. The top part just came down about 10 minutes ago. It's unclear if it's stable or is going to come down onto the street. Of course, all streets around here have been closed off. The good news, there have been no injuries reported connected to this. They all started about 11 o'clock this morning, but I talked to a lot of neighbors here today. They said all night they could hear that scaffolding rattling against the buildings, and 11 o'clock this morning, it finally came down. We're live in Back Bay. I'm Ted Wayman, WCVB News Center 5.